Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to ask ChatGPT about a conversation between two parties, and then I'm going to ask few questions about that conversation. So I have a website open here, and this is the dialogue. It's about plastic surgery, and let's copy this whole paragraph. Let me copy this and okay, let's establish a few things. um, in the below conversation, A will be, let me add quotation, will be called, let's call it James, and B will be called Sarah. Please go through the conversation, and then I am going to ask few questions about it. So let's see. Okay, so let me paste the whole conversation here. Okay, I have reviewed the conversation. Please let me know if you have any questions. Sure. Let's ask who is B. Tell me who is B in the above conversation. Well, it should be Sarah. Let's see. Okay, perfect. In the above conversation, B refers to Sarah. And what about A? Okay, A refers to James. Fantastic. Now let's ask a few questions. Number one, if you read the paragraph, the both parties basically agree upon maybe people spend more time. Okay, if people spend more time doing yoga and less time taking selfies, then they can get rid of mental health problems or reduce mental health problems. So let's ask ChatGPT about it. What both parties agreed upon. Okay, in the above conversation, both parties agreed that people should accept their own faces. Okay, that's mentioned in the conversation. And that the society places too much emphasis on appearances. They also agreed that social media and smartphones can contribute to mental health problems, and that spending more time doing activities such as yoga would be beneficial. Okay, that is the correct answer basically. The question 2 would be okay, let's get the theme of the conversation. Give me the theme of the above conversation, please. The answer should not exceed more than, let's say, 50 words, and please give me the word count as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, theme: the conversation revolve around the topic of plastic surgery and its effects on society, including the pressure to conform to a certain appearances and the negative impact of social media on mental health. Wow, I mean, just 26 words. Okay, and the word count is 26 words. So that's fantastic, actually. Okay, that was question 2. Let's ask main let's why people okay why people consider plastic surgery. Please give me answers in points. Your reasons should be based on the above conversation. Your answer actually. Okay, based on the above conversation, here are some possible reasons why people might consider plastic surgery. People may not like their faces. People may believe that having plastic surgery could help them get a better job. Okay, well, that was not mentioned in the conversation, the point 2. But anyways, society places a lot of emphasis on appearances, and people may feel pressure to conform to certain beauty standards. Okay, advertising and social media contribution to this pressure by promoting unrealistic beauty standards and perpetuating the idea that appearance is very important. Okay, that's fantastic. But there was one more question in the conversation. The true society is kind of crazy that way. We all think we need to look like model. I blame advertising. Let's ask who is blaming advertisement. Just give me his or her name and gender as well. Okay, James is blaming advertising in the above conversation. James is referred to as A in the conversation, and he is male. I mean, this is fantastic. He even understand that James is a name of a male, of a man, of a boy actually. You can also do some more amazing things. You can ask ChatGPT to give the word count of A or B. Let's do that. Okay, give me a total word count of A and B. Let's see. Wow, it gave you the exact word count. Well, I did not count it, but I hope that it gave the right answer. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you.